Hey, welcome! Ready for a 30-day no-sugar Mediterranean flavor fiesta? Dietitian-designed, delicious, and doable? This is a heart-healthy, anti-inflammatory, weight-loss-friendly meal plan that tastes like vacation. We keep all the sunny Mediterranean flavors and leave added sugar behind. Forget bland. This is abundance, color, and real food pleasure. Quick favor, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a healthy dietitian-designed recipe. Grab the weekly shopping list and meal plan PDFs. Recipe links in the description. I'll guide you day by day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a smart snack. No added sugar, all flavor. We'll go week by week. Simple shopping, fast prep, Mediterranean magic. Voiceover is your coach, visuals are your roadmap. Faceless, photoreal, beautifully lit. SEO, quick hits. 30-day no-sugar Mediterranean diet, meal prep, healthy recipes, low glycemic choices. Let's kick off week 1. You'll wake up energized, eat like royalty, and never miss sugar for a second. Tip: cook once, eat twice. Use evu, herbs, citrus, and seafood for effortless flavor and satiety. Day 1. Breakfast: plain Greek yogurt with walnuts and mixed berries. Protein, healthy fats, natural sweetness. Lunch: 5-minute chickpea salad. Celery, red onion, parsley, evu, lemon, salt, pepper. Dinner: grilled salmon with steamed asparagus and lemon. Omega-3 superstar. Snack: cucumber with hummus. Crunchy, creamy, fiber-filled. Day 2. Breakfast: overnight oats with chia and cinnamon, unsweetened milk. Lunch: quinoa tabbouleh loaded with parsley, tomatoes, mint, cucumber. Dinner: lemon oregano chicken and roasted zucchini, sheet pan magic. Snack: almonds, healthy fats, protein, fiber. Day 3. Breakfast: avocado toast on whole grain with sliced tomatoes, sea salt, pepper. Lunch: cozy lentil soup, aromatics broth, finish with spinach. Dinner: Greek-style baked cod, tomatoes, kalamatas, evu, oregano. Snack: sliced peppers with cool tzatziki. Day 4. Breakfast: green smoothie, spinach, banana, flax, unsweetened almond milk. Lunch: Mediterranean tuna salad, fresh, zippy, no mayo. Dinner: veggie stuffed peppers, quinoa, zucchini, onion, garlic, oregano, basil, feta. Snack: olives and cherry tomatoes, salty meets sweet. Day 5. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. Lunch: farro with roasted veggies, lemon evu vinaigrette. Dinner: fast shrimp sauté, garlic, lemon, broccoli, chili flakes. Snack: Greek yogurt, cinnamon, dessert vibes, no sugar. Day 6. Breakfast: cottage cheese with in-season peaches or juice-packed, no sugar-added slices. Lunch: grilled veggie and hummus wrap, fiber-rich, portable. Dinner: turkey meatballs and tomato basil on spaghetti squash. Snack: walnuts, omega, 3S for brain and heart. Day 7. Breakfast: poached eggs over sautéed greens, spinach, kale, or chard. Lunch: Nicoise vibes, crisp lettuce, green beans, potatoes, olives, tuna, simple vinaigrette. Dinner: roasted lamb with rosemary, light salad to balance. Day 8. Breakfast: no sugar muesli, unsweetened milk, top with berries. Lunch: cool bulgur salad with mint and lemon. Dinner: Mediterranean baked trout, dill, parsley, lemon, evu. Snack: carrot sticks with pure almond butter. Day 9. Breakfast: chia pudding with unsweetened coconut milk, top with berries. Lunch: grilled chicken Caesar, evu, lemon, Dijon, garlic. Dinner: lighter eggplant parm, crushed tomatoes, basil, mozzarella. Snack: pistachios, salty, satisfying crunch. Day 10. Breakfast: veggie frittata, hot or cold, easy elegance. Lunch: white beans with peppery arugula, simple vinaigrette. Dinner: baked sea bass over sautéed garlic kale. Snack: briny olives with crunchy cucumber. Day 11. Breakfast: Greek yogurt parfait with walnuts, almonds, cinnamon. Lunch: roasted beet salad with goat cheese, balsamic evu. Dinner: stuffed zucchini boats, quinoa, herbs, feta. Snack: juicy pear, fiber-rich sweetness. Day 12. Breakfast: almond butter and banana on whole grain toast. Lunch: light Mediterranean chickpea spinach curry, spice it right. Dinner: grilled swordfish with bright caper salsa, green beans. Snack: crunchy roasted chickpeas. Day 13. Breakfast: savory oatmeal, olive oil, tomatoes, basil. Lunch: Greek salad, tomato, cucumber, feta, evu, red wine vinegar. Dinner: chicken souvlaki, lemon, garlic, oregano, grilled to perfection. Snack: a small handful of raisins, mindful sweetness. Day 14. Breakfast: ricotta whipped with lemon zest, top with berries. Lunch: lentil salad, protein, fiber, sunshine on a plate. Dinner: lighter, gluten-free eggplant bake, bubbly and golden. Day 15. Breakfast: smoothie bowl, unsweetened base, frozen berries, spinach, nuts and seeds. Lunch: sardine salad, omega, 3 power, light and zesty. Dinner: herb-crusted pork tenderloin with caramelized sprouts. Snack: cherry tomatoes and feta, tiny Greek island vibes. Day 16. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs and avocado. Salt, chili flakes. Lunch: quinoa roasted cauliflower, smoked paprika, lemon. Dinner, lemon garlic shrimp, toss in big handfuls of spinach. Snack, assorted Mediterranean olives. Day 17, breakfast, whole grain pancakes topped with mashed berries, no syrup needed. Lunch, Greek pasta salad, peppers, cucumber, onion, evu, red wine vinegar, oregano. Dinner, one pan baked chicken, calamatas, artichokes, rosemary, lemon. Snack, crisp apple with walnuts, fiber plus healthy fats. Day 18, breakfast, Greek yogurt, sunflower seeds, cinnamon. Lunch, velvety roasted pepper tomato soup, comfort in a bowl. Dinner, grilled lamb with fresh mint sauce, simple salad. Snack, carrot sticks dipped in hummus. Day 19, breakfast, tomato basil omelet, fluffy and fragrant. Lunch, farro and chickpeas with lemon tahini, slow burn energy. Dinner, crispy skinned salmon on arugula, simple vinaigrette. Snack, mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Day 20, breakfast, cottage cheese with cucumber and dill, cool, protein-packed. Lunch, build your own grain bowl with tahini drizzle. Dinner, lemony dolmas, serve with grilled peppers and zucchini. Snack, mixed berries, antioxidant-rich, guilt-free. Day 21, breakfast, kale pear smoothie with unsweetened almond milk. Lunch, spinach and mushrooms in a whole grain wrap. Add hummus or feta. Dinner, herb-baked trout with hearty lentils. Day 22, breakfast, savory Greek yogurt with cucumber and za'atar. Lunch, caprese classic, simple perfection. Dinner, zesty grilled chicken with smoky roasted eggplant. Snack, red, yellow, orange bell peppers. Day 23, breakfast, oat porridge with walnuts, almonds, cinnamon. Lunch, roasted peppers, zucchini, carrots, onions with lentils. Dinner, Pella-style seafood, Spanish coast flavors. Snack, olives with a savory cheese bite. Day 24, breakfast, eggs with jammy roasted tomatoes and garlicky spinach. Lunch, spiced chickpeas over crisp greens, lemon tahini. Dinner, baked cod on fluffy quinoa with kale or broccoli. Snack, choose any veggie and dip combo you love. Day 25, breakfast, ricotta on whole grain toast with berries, sprinkle cinnamon. Lunch, peppery arugula, sweet beets, crunchy walnuts. Dinner, slice to reveal the colorful, flavorful filling. Wow. Snack, pistachios, portable and satisfying. Day 26, breakfast, spinach avocado smoothie, creamy, nutrient-dense. Lunch, tuna and cannellini beans, fresh herbs, bright citrus. Dinner, rainbow veggie and halloumi skewers, charred and golden. Snack, luscious fresh figs, nature's candy. Day 27, breakfast, poached eggs with sautéed tomatoes, Italian morning vibes. Lunch, warm quinoa squash salad, smoky paprika plus cinnamon. Dinner, lemon rosemary salmon, tender, flaky, fast. Snack, a small handful of mixed nuts, steady energy. Day 28, breakfast, muesli with unsweetened yogurt and chia, flax, pumpkin seeds. Lunch, fakes, cozy lentils. Dinner, turkey stuffed peppers. Snack, cucumber with tzatziki. Day 29, pancakes, chickpea burgers for lunch, shrimp skewers with tabbouleh for dinner, olives and cheese to snack. Day 30, celebrate. Balanced yogurt bowl, mezzi platter lunch, baked fish with herbed quinoa, and a simple fruit finale. You did it! 30 days of no-sugar Mediterranean goodness. Energy up, cravings down, flavor maxed out. This is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Keep building balanced plates. Vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, evu, citrus, and herbs. Tell us your favorite meals in the comments. What surprised you most on this 30-day journey? Search Friendly for later. 30-day no-sugar Mediterranean diet, dietitian-designed meal plan, healthy meal prep, low glycemic recipes. If this helped you feel great, share it with a friend starting fresh. Subscribe and ring the bell for more quick dietitian-approved Mediterranean recipes. Grab the weekly meal plans, full recipe index, and the complete dietitian-designed guide in the description. We've organized everything to make staying on track simple and stress-free. Keep cooking, keep enjoying, and keep shining. See you in the next video. Tap like for a virtual high five. Your support helps us help more people. Links below for all weekly PDFs, recipes, and the full 30-day plan. Bon appetit!